Hi, this is Mark from Newsweek.com talking to you about ENDPQ stock. Um, Obviously, anybody that's involved with ENDPQ stock right now is watching the stock boards, listening to a lot of comments, which are usually uh, people that are trying to make you scared, or people that don't know anything, or um, your weekend warrior attorneys that are trying to understand bankruptcy. It's still my opinion that even though there's a meeting tomorrow which is going to define whether or not the plan can be submitted solely by Endo or by other people that are going to submit a plan, my guess is that the judges will remain with exclusivity for Endo International. I mean, why not? He can always change his mind, and he can allow someone else to submit a plan if he's not happy with Endo's plan. Nothing has been accepted by the judge, and I do think that the judge really can't make any type of solid opinion unless he has the Supreme Court's decision regarding the Purdue bankruptcy. And I think that this is all stalling. The longer this takes, um, the more accurate the decision will be regarding the bankruptcy. Clearly, the company is worth a lot of money. According to the stock market, however, the company is worth $164,000. Well, that's absolutely ridiculous. So I would stop worrying right now. I don't think anything is going to be settled in the near future. I think it's all dependent on, number one, getting a decision from the Supreme Court, and then number two, letting the judge do his job. I personally believe the company has done everything right at this point. The goal is to eliminate some of the debt uh, uncertainty from the opioid cases. And that, again, is not going to be settled until we find out what the Supreme Court has to say about bankruptcy law. Will it change, or will they just accept the fact that people can isolate themselves by investing in corporations? That's my personal opinion. Uh, as far as Purdue goes, if I think that if they gave $6 million of their own money and put it back into the company, that may actually have pierced the corporate veil. So what is the decision really going to be from the Supreme Court? And again, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know anything about law. But just from a logical standpoint, which is what law is supposed to be, it seems to me that if politically they can in some way say, well, you put your money in Purdue, that changes the situation for your investment. You're more entangled with the corporation. We're going to come out with you more. However, uh, in terms of bankruptcy law, it'll stay the same. That's my opinion. And if that is the case, then Endo will settle this uh, quickly and mightily by making a settlement, as long as the corporate veil has not been pierced, and the company will survive. I'm not scared. I'm not upset. I don't care. Uh, my losses are pretty huge if the stock disappears, but I'm still a firm believer that the stock is not going to disappear. So have a wonderful day. The stock market is always exciting, even when you're losing money. And I wish everyone a very healthy and wealthy new year in 2024. This is Mark from Newsweek.com. Thanks so much for your time. I do not give financial advice. I just am sometimes lucky and lately, most of the times, unlucky. Uh, I did get a new guitar yesterday, so I'm going to try to spend my time, at least sometime, learning how to play that before I hand it over to my granddaughter. Thanks.